Have you always wanted to create a super cool outfit of the day video like your favorite fashion influencer? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps you can take to create an outfit of the day video like this one. It's super easy. You don't need any video editing experience. You don't need a fancy camera. Your phone will work fine. And the best part, you'll be able to create this from start to finish in under 15 minutes. Sounds fun, right? Let's get into it. Let's start with the building blocks. You're going to need to get 5 shots total. One of those shots is going to be your full outfit, and then the other 4 are going to be close-up shots of other parts of your outfit. So I started out with a close-up of the shirt that I was going to put with the outfit, and then the shorts, and then the shoes, and then the accessories, and then finally the end of the video is the full outfit put together. So go ahead and get those 5 shots, and then once you have them, we're gonna head over to InVideo.io to do the editing. If you haven't already signed up for a free InVideo account, you can use the link in the description below. Once you've got your account set up, you're gonna open a project. You can search OOTD or outfit of the day to find a template, or you could go with a blank canvas. Either way, you're going to want to select the 9:16 option, which will give you a vertical mobile video. And if you do want to use the exact same layout that I'm using, there'll be a link in the description that will take you right to the exact template. Whatever option you choose, it's going to take you to the InVideo editor. As you can see with the template, all of the scenes are already loaded in with the graphics in place. What you're going to do now is upload the footage that you took. And then once it uploads, you're just going to plug it into the template. So I'm starting with the shirt, and all you have to do to plug it in is drag it onto the clip that's already there, then select Replace. And if you decided not to use a template, you're just going to be dragging your clips onto a blank canvas to put them in place. Now it's plugged in, as you can see. If you need to move your video around, you can select Edit Mask and then just drag it. All right, now you're going to continue that process with the rest of your clips. On this scene, I'm deciding which 2 clips I want to put together, so I'm going with 2 different accessories. And then, of course, you want to end with your full outfit. And then your last step is going to be to change the text in the template. So you might have noticed that in this template, a few of the slides have hashtags plugged in. So you can change the text to a hashtag that makes sense for your brand or just for your video. For me, this is an outfit from a thrift store, so I'm going to say hashtag thrifted, hashtag secondhand, and hashtag sustainable. When everything looks good, your last step is going to be to come up to download and share in the top right-hand corner, and from there you'll be able to save your video and then share it to Reels. And that is how you create an OOTD Reel in minutes, even if you've never edited a video before. Again, if you want to use the exact template I used in the video, the link will be in the description. Or feel free to use the steps we covered to create your own unique video. I hope you had as much fun watching this video as we did creating the OOTD Reel template for you. We would love to hear any suggestions you have for future tutorials, so feel free to leave those in the comments below. I'm Therese with InVideo, and I will see you in the next one.